Hello everyone, what I have here is a Carl F Euro cylinder. Not something we Americans see very often. This is actually the first one I've seen, so got this from my buddy Hobby Picker over on the UK Locksport forum, and we're gonna see what they're all about. Never picked one before. Click off 2, click off a 3. I don't know if that was a click on 4. A little click on 5. Faucet. Pin 1 is counter rotating. Set pin 1. Trying to feel for anything with any feedback, and I'm feeling nothing. Alright, let me take this deeper hook. Still nothing. Strange. I must be missing something. There we go. A little counter rotation. It was very faint. Alright. I do not have a key for this one, so I'm gonna try not to lock it back up. Alright, curious to see what's in this one. You can see everything had to be picked. I don't see anything done to the core. Standard, 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 standard. That one seems to have a little taper at the top. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Yeah, that one's tapered at the top. I guess that's kind of like a hoping that you'll overset it. Alright, gonna go from the front. Nice deep spool. Standard. You know what? I just realized what's going on with the lighting in here. There we go. When my wife was going to bed, she goes through and turns off lights. So all that, just 1, 2 spools. I think I got these mixed up. Alright. All the springs should be the same. Alright guys, this is the Carl F Euro. If you'll bear with me for 1 second, I'll show you that tapered pin. Swear to God, I'm buying this dog socks. Actually, all of these key pins appear to be tapered at the top. Yeah. I almost missed that. They all have a slight taper at the top so that they will overset really easy. Very nice. I almost missed that. The driver pins don't have any taper to them at all. The 2 spools that are there are very deep. All in all, very nice lock. Very fun little pick. Thank you, Hobby Picker, for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. Everyone have a happy new year. I'm about to have a couple more drinks and hit the sack, I think. I don't think it's 10 o'clock here now. I don't think I'm going to make it to midnight. But good night, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Happy New Year.